Tell us what happened.
Sir, to be sincere with you, sir, I was in Enugu State. So I used to serve mess. I have a boss that used to take me to work, Oga, that used to take me. I used to follow him and go to work in Akuke. So I serve messy work and farm work too. I can do farm work too. So I have the day that I came up because my mother called me. I have a spiritual problem. So my mother called me on the phone and sent me money, 6,000 naira, for me to come back to Port Harcourt for a prayer. So when I came, it don't take like long time ago. I have sex, do sex, so I said, let me go to Gariki. They have where they call New Gariki in Enugu State. So when I reached there, I walk around. I was looking for somebody to. All the women was old women there. So I now saw the small young girl there. She came outside. She come out with condom and. Extra 2,000 or 3,000 naira in her body. So I now tell her that I want to fuck, I want to sex. So she now tell me okay. She now go and do short time, which is 1,000. So after we lodge in the house and do the short time, after we do the short time finish. So I now went out. So as a waiter, she now be telling me about her situation, that her mother is alive, but her father is dead. That her mother stays in Enugu. They have the name of place you call in Enugu State, where his mother used to stay. His mother is a beggar, so his mother is in Holy Ghost. Holy Ghost. His mother is a beggar in Holy Ghost. His father is dead. That he need.
Why did you bring her here to Port Harcourt?
Okay, when I talked to her finish, so I told her that I like her. When I was sexting with her, I told her that I like her, that I want to become how I want her to be my wife, I want her to be my girlfriend too. My mother is looking for somebody that is going to come, the only son of my parents. That is why I brought her back to.
How old is this girl?
She told me the first time that she's 18 years, but sincerity, I don't know, but she told me that she's 16. After everything, she told me that she's 16, but I'm sure that she's 16 the way she told. Normal, people see when I brought her in that Enugu State. Okay, I did not put her inside the bag. If I put her inside the bag, I'm not, no, I have some little spiritual issue. I cannot bring that girl in, put inside. People will notice it and people will look at me. I cannot do that kind of thing. I can swear I cannot do it. Like normal, I have some little from my foundation life, like my mom, my father's people are just sending me, my stepmother sending me spiritual attack like I used to see.
What really happened actually, I was invited to come for an interview to work with an oil and gas company. Along the line I came, and that was when they now said that I have to pay a sum of money, 850,000 naira. Which as at that time I don't have money, so I told them the money I have with me is 750. They now asked me that I should pay, and I asked them what is the purpose of that money. They say it's for documentation fees, meaning it's going to be they are going to do international passport for me, international passport, working permit, and other things like that related to the company. So after I paid the money, a week after, immediately they now put me in a training. There's a training, they says. So after I joined the training for a week, they now say they are going to transfer me to the company. You understand? The oil and gas company. On reaching there, that was when I now found out it's not an oil and company. It's just a kind of training ground. They call it training ground. So I was there. You understand? They now said it is a business purpose. That what they tell us from beginning is a strategy. You understand? That if they didn't do that one, there's no way I can come over. So I now say to me, I cannot do the business. They convinced me. In fact, I am out of my sense as at that time, that I just have to do the business.
What is the business?
Is to buy one product and sell two products for the company.
Okay. What was the promise that they made to you?
The promise they made is that after I sell that two, they are going to start paying me $225. Every week, weekly. Yes, weekly, yes, sir.
Okay. So, at what point do you guys get the police involved?
When we realized that the business is a scam, because we felt that that's not the way it's supposed to be. You understand? So we found out that not even me myself, there are so many other people, you understand, that came. More than 500 people that we came, and we discovered that this is how the business is.
Say your name again.
Abraham Abdullahi.
You said in Port Harcourt. You said in Port Harcourt. Where in Port Harcourt?
Egritally. Yes, Egritally. They say we are going to be selling either cheap endats, biodix, home pure, all this.